one can shoot us in this car. You know, this is our bulletproof car.
Oh, really?
Yeah, no one can shoot us.
Wait, stop your vehicle outside.
Oh, you want to test? Yeah, do it. Shoot me. I will. Oh my god.
Now they can.
Hey, not from the side, not from the side. Just front and back. It's totally bulletproof.
Oh my god.
Uh,
By the way, why
it,
am I wasting my bullets?
it was only for Danny. And,
Oh.
thanks to what's his name, Falcon. For that she just gave it to 20 access to 25
Yeah,
range.
yeah, yeah. USS, are you responding or not? There is no USS in the NG. What is going on?
USS units, where are you?
Units responding, how copy?
Good copy at Capital Gate.
North Capital Gas.
I'm
Was
saying
in
units
convoy.
who are
Where
responding to
are you?
LZ, how copy?
I can't find any of my units. Why?
There are no units of government. Hi.
Hello, officer.
Yep.
Yes, sir.
Someone process the guy.
We are from USSS, government. We
We are
cannot process
government. We
guy.
can't process.
Oh, you are government employee. Yeah. Sorry. Sorry for that.
Yeah, these cars. When I saw this car at first, I thought that it was FIB car. Everyone come to the main hangar. I want to see who are here.
Okay, those who are in the NG, come to the main hangar.
And make sure you don't step out of your vehicle because you don't have any guns.
If you have gun and ammo, you can step out. If you don't, just stay in your vehicles.
We are totally broke.
Hey, HHP.
Not SHP, government.
Government.
Damn, I think it's SHP car.
Oh my god, who is driving the heli?
Let me find my units. Where are they?
Oh, let's do one thing. Let's go to the main barracks and ask
Oh
them.
no, we can.
Oh,
go.
they're at the
Hey,
main barracks.
USS, what are you doing at the main barrack? I know.
Oh, God.
USS,
there's
what
a
are you
convoy
doing there?
also. There's also convoy.
Oh
Go
my
there.
God.
There's also a convoy.
Bro, we will get. USS, get in car and roam around. We are not here to stand here.
What is going on
What
here?
is going on, man?
here, guys? Hey, Topso, what is going on? Shadow, what is going on here? What is going on?
Get in cars. Everyone get in cars. I won't repeat. Get in cars.
Oh my god, USS Deputy Director and Director don't know what is going on.
USS, what are you doing? I know. We are not here to stand here. Just go and
Finish.
just-
Zora, our ammunition in the depot is finished. You know?
I know we are not here for candy run.
Ah.
Get in cars and check the base. USS, I will not repeat. Get in car and check the base. Get in cars. Beast, how copy?
Good copy.
What they are doing? They are not following my orders.
Yeah, they are following DHS orders.
May I know why USS are not following my orders?
What do you mean by DHS order? Well,
I,
they-
I, we are in NG raid and they are following DHS
DHS
order and just standing
DHS
in the
is
main
relaxing
barracks.
at the NG. Mr. Harsh is relaxing in the NG.
relaxing in NG?
Bro, I didn't said anything on the radio, so I didn't give any orders. How are you blaming me?
Oh no,
Zora,
Harsh didn't
did
do
you
anything.
put your
Want to know what is
department
going
take-
on. Like there's a
take on to
convoy
the
and
enter?
all, you know.
Shadow.
Yeah.
Get in car.
What is going on, sir?
I just had a code at NG. I came back here. There was a military base robbery.
Oh, okay.
Beast,
I'm sorry,
beast,
guys,
beast,
my
beast,
bad.
come
Bad.
here, come
Wrong
here.
information.
USS, check
Yes,
the
yes.
base. USS, go and
Where,
check
where?
the base. No one will stand here. Get in cars and check the base. And who is Shadow Federal?
Zoro, Beast, and Harsh. Don't make a conflict between each other, guys.
USS units, I repeat, we are not here for Candy Run. We are attending the FZ raid. Help the NG.
Afterwards, just don't leave the NG base. Come here only. We will talk with them. Okay, so we will do one thing. After the FZ, we will talk with them directly here.
Yeah. But who is this Shadow Federal? I am saying him to go and he is saying me to. Hey Harsh, we are not blaming you. Harsh, we know you didn't do anything. We are not blaming you.
Beast, how copy?
Good copy, sir.
Beast and Zoro do one thing. Go to Harsh and have a talk with each other. Go.
Okay. Let's go to main barracks, sir. Zoro, sir. Take us to
Bro,
main
what was
barracks.
that? You told DHS, so I thought the Shadow is from DHS.
No. Harsh is a DHS. He's a special agent. Shadow is a special agent.
Harsh, don't mind. I didn't know. I was thinking that Shadow is the DHS unit. That's why I told that. Good, let's go to main barrack. Oh my god. Wait, buddy, I'm coming. Wait. Oi, Harsh, don't mind, man. I didn't mean to that you.
Harsh Bhaiya, don't mind. We are sorry. Don't mind, sir. Hello. Don't mind. We had a misunderstanding. We thought
Hey, I literally thought that
there
what was that
a
name?
convoy, proper convoy. So I thought.
And I thought Shadow was leading the convoy. That's why I thought Shadow is from DHS. That's why I told DHS.
Yeah. Best of luck for tomorrow, sir. You will do great.
Hey Harsh, we are sorry. Don't mind.
He's not minding. Okay. Best of luck for tomorrow.
Mr. Rayan, that matter is solved. That was just a misunderstanding.
Thank you. I'm not still studying. Oh my god.
Harsh bro, love you too.
Let's go. Guru, let's go.
we have to give USS some instructions.
Yes.
They thought
And,
they thought we are here for candy run. Oi, what's happening?
Yes, yes. Oh my god.
What happened? What is this?
Him and detained him for what charges?
Detain, detain, detain.
Just do one favor and
Okay. Okay, bye.
yeah, just confess it. I
Guys,
don't leave him
don't
outside the
roam
base.
Okay.
Don't be here.
Sorted,
Just
bye.
protect the base. Just protect the
He
base.
is inside the base,
Yeah.
so he was facing a secure facility. As simple as that.
Hey, while we're all arguing. Okay, so.
After the FZ, no one will.
After the AZ, no units will leave the Tangi base. Okay.
Will do the candy run. Will
Even
move
overcarrying.
directly.
Ozzy,
Most probably you won't get the candies as the international warehouse is empty. So still have a talk with them if they can provide something.
Oh my.
Yeah. We will ask them if they can provide. We will.
Just
Hey,
ask-
Zoro, where are you? Come back.
It's actually empty.
Hey, Zoro, come back.
I totally forgot about it.
Arey, at least we will talk to them, na? Ki
Yeah.
Right,
We
truckers.
will talk with them.
we need candies. We are government.
We are totally broke.
We will do a case file on you.
Every USS unit, go to main barrack
Respond to main barracks, guys. Respond to main barracks.
and make sure you park your vehicle properly.
Yeah, just like that. Proper convert. Yeah, Shadow Federal knows it very well.
Yeah, I will break it.
Please come